Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's Easter Sunday, it's hot, it's quiet, it's a great gardening day. It's time to get your hands in the dirt. We're going to be planting peppers today. I've got the bed ready, I put the fertilizer down on top, just need to dig it in. And I picked out the first peppers that we're going to plant. I've gone with a label maker this year. It's going to be a sweet gold pepper. I'm going to put it around the stem and loop it like that. And now it's going to be just like it is when you buy fruit trees. The label is going to be attached to the plant. It's not going to be down in the dirt, get kicked around, get lost like it does for me every year when I can never figure out what things are. As you can see, here's a yum yum pepper, and there's the label. Already got them wrapped on. So we're going to take these plants down to where the garden bed is. I'm going to get the fertilizer raked in, and then we're going to start planting. Come along and see how I do compared to how you do, and you got any tips, stick them down in the comments. See, I put the fertilizer on both sides of my fencing, and need to get it rooted in, dug in. Got my drip line down the middle. Since I'm going to be planting two of each, what I'm going to do is put one on this side, one on the other side. Alright, I'm going to start with the smaller size plants. So we'll start with a little yum yum. It's a smaller plant, makes smaller peppers. Then move on to one that I've saved the seeds from. It's some kind of an Aji, A-J-I, but it's not hot. Makes the pepper looks like a little baby pumpkin. Very, very thick walled, very sweet, very delicious. Get a million of them, but they're only about that big. Then we'll go with an Ozark Giant. And then a favorite around our house is a Better Bell. It's like an oversized bell pepper, very thick walled. But still tastes really, really good. And down here on the end, I'm going to put a poblano. I wish my knees and back worked better. It sure would be easier to plant. Okay, now I got to switch over, do the exact same thing on the other side. Alright, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's my first 10 peppers planted. Got the soaker hose running on them. They'll be happy. And looks like I got room for 10 more to finish out that row. So I'll have 20 peppers on this row. I'll end up putting some flowers and some basil and stuff in between these plants. Makes them prettier, and of course we'll get a little bit of bug deterrent, hopefully. But it's a good start. At least I got some peppers in. So this is David to Grow and Eat This. Getting close to being the end of April. It's in the high 80s. Plenty of time to sweat. So thank you for watching. This is Lawrenceville, Georgia, Zone 8A, 7B. Getting the summer garden in. Thank you. And I think just because I had a little bit of energy before I just literally wanted to pass out from the heat, I decided to put a few tomatoes down. Now I put down a pair of Sweet Gold and Sun Gold. Sun Gold's our absolute favorite little yellow cherry type tomato. Then Sun Gold we haven't had, but they're supposed to be really good too. And then I put a couple of Early Girls, Bush Early Girls. Now the Bush Early Girls, I put a cage around. These Sun Gold, these little guys, they will run forever. So I put them on a trellis, and I'll let them just run all the way up to all the way over. They can just run and make me all the tomatoes they feel like. So I got the 10 peppers, 6 tomatoes. I put some hibiscus in upstairs, up in the front yard, and a bunch of Mexican Sun Golds, and planted some candy roaster seeds. So it's been a pretty productive day, and it's time to go in and see if it's even possible to cool off some. So this is David back at Grow and Eat This, Lawrenceville, Georgia. This is fun being out here, getting in the dirt.